Are you tired of tossing and turning at night? Watch till the end to discover the one thing you need to know about your sleeping position for better sleep. Say goodbye to restless nights and hello to a peaceful slumber. The secret lies in your sleeping position, specifically, sleeping on your back. Back sleeping offers numerous benefits for your sleep quality and overall well-being. It helps align your spine, reduces the risk of developing wrinkles and acne, and even minimizes acid reflux. By distributing your weight evenly, it allows your body to relax and promotes better circulation. To enhance your back sleeping experience, use a supportive pillow and mattress that properly cradle your head and body. So, say goodbye to uncomfortable nights and hello to a rejuvenating sleep experience. Adjust your sleeping position and discover the difference it can make. Sweet dreams await you as you embrace the power of sleeping on your back. It's time to prioritize your sleep and wake up refreshed and revitalized each morning.